Saint Mary the Younger of Bizye, February 16th. A pious woman of noble birth endures years of severe domestic abuse with unwavering faith and forgiveness, becoming a testament to enduring sanctity. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include physical violence, imprisonment, and domestic abuse. The life of Saint Mary the Younger of Bizye, commemorated on February 16th, reveals a profound witness to Christ through patience and endurance. Born into a noble Armenian family in Constantinople during the 9th century, Mary displayed humility and beauty from her youth. She entered into marriage with Nikephoros, a military commander known by the title Tourmarchus. The appellation the Younger distinguished her from the most holy Theotokos, the Virgin Mary. Following their marriage, Nikephoros received an assignment to the city of Bizye in Thrace, known today as Viz, Turkey. It was there that their domestic life took a grievous turn. Influenced by slander from his servants and consumed by a diabolical jealousy, Nikephoros began to inflict cruel abuse upon his wife. He confined her to her room, depriving her of sustenance, and subjected her to regular beatings, convinced of her infidelity. These trials tested Mary's spirit with great severity. Despite the horrific treatment, Mary did not complain, nor did she harbor anger toward her husband. Her response was one of constant prayer, offering thanks to God for her trials and interceding for the salvation of Nikephoros' soul. This inner spiritual discipline allowed her to endure the physical and emotional torment. When she received occasional permission to attend church, she practiced secret charity. She would remove her expensive clothes and jewelry, giving them to the poor, and replace them with simple garments. Her father, observing her worn appearance, sent her new beautiful attire. However, Nikephoros, in a fit of rage, tore these garments to shreds and beat her again, further manifesting his cruel disposition. After years of suffering, Mary fell ill. Shortly before her repose, she experienced a vision. She beheld a host of angels and radiant men who presented her with a scroll. Understanding this as a sign of her imminent departure from this life, she prepared herself for her passage. Saint Mary reposed peacefully in the year 902 AD. Her husband, still hardened in heart, refused to provide a proper funeral. Her neighbors, recognizing her quiet sanctity, laid her to rest in a humble grave. A year after her death, Nikephoros' heart was moved to remorse. He began to experience visions of his departed wife in glory, surrounded by angels, and his conscience tormented him for his past actions. Concurrently, numerous miracles began to manifest at Mary's grave. The sick found healing, and those afflicted by demons received deliverance through her intercessions. The local bishop, upon receiving reports of these miracles, ordered the exhumation of her body. Her relics were found to be entirely incorrupt, emitting a heavenly fragrance. They were translated with great honor to the Episcopal Church of Bizye, confirming her sainthood. Nikephoros, witnessing these events and experiencing the weight of his sins, made a public confession of his transgressions. He spent the remainder of his life in repentance, seeking God's mercy for the suffering he had inflicted upon his holy wife. Through her life of profound patience and forgiveness in the face of extreme adversity, Saint Mary the Younger of Bizye offers a powerful witness to the transformative power of Christ's grace within the domestic sphere.